Hello everyone, we are students from KH017. We are going to roleplay about English project. Okay, so what we are going to do and what we are going to roleplay is about nature, specifically about poultry plantation and its effect on the environment.
Hey guys, want to know? I live here at Palm Creek Plantation. Every rainy season, the fields occur, and sometimes landslides follow.
You have to say, poultry plantation is everywhere proud because it's so common and it supports the industry, but it also poses an environmental risk.
Well, I work at the palm tree plantation, and I witness this every day. And the palm tree grows very quickly.
Like the palm tree are tall, they cannot out of the water well, and it causes growth and backsliding.
Well, the plantation of palm tree give people money and it helps local economy. So what?
Hey, people here, we might lose our home.
Yeah, it's really worrying. No one should have to lose their home.
I never think about it that way. If anyone feels unsafe, then something needs to be changed. Does anyone have an idea?
I have an idea. How about we doing a reforestation? I mean, you can plant the trees around the plantation.
Yeah, I can agree with that. I see. That's a good idea. Let's buy the materials and seeds for the plantation.
Well, what are you guys waiting for? I can help with our work and plantation.
Let's go then. If we use sustainable methods and protect nature responsibly, palm tree plantation can support people without damaging the environment.